warm welcome to all the viewers and to all the food lovers who are looking forward to a wonderful show and welcoming you to a one-of-a-kind show that is Flame and Fame at Chitkara, where every dish shows a story and also campus creativity through culinary magic. Now you must be thinking that why this show is different from all your favorite celebrity and chef shows. So here's the secret. This show is not all about the dishes. It's all about stories, passion and personality where our students of Chitkara University show their talent and put forward in front of you on a set of plate. So without any further ado, let's introduce our chef of the day, and she is a very beautiful chef who has commenced her journey with the Chitkara School of Culinary Arts. I also would like to share with all of you that through this show, we will not only show the stories of our students, but we will meet the experts, the mentors who are leading these students and making them future and industry ready. So without any further ado, let's introduce the chef of the very first show of Flame and Fame at Chitkara. So please welcome the young and beautiful chef from the School of Culinary Arts. Hi, how are you doing?
I'm good. Hi everyone, I am Dhanvi Goyal and I'm from Punjab, pursuing BSc Culinary Arts from Chitkara University. It's my final year here and I'm very excited to be on this show with Chitkara to share my journey in the culinary arts.
Same wise here, and I hope so all the viewers, the youngsters who are looking towards this episode of Flame and Fame at Chitkara would be learning a lot from you as well. So I won't be calling her Dhanvi, I would be introducing her or calling her chef. So chef, this is your wonderful journey, and today we are cooking something very different because this show is not all about cooking the Indian dishes. We would be introducing something different today. So
Yep.
what we are cooking today?
So today we are cooking a very basic and classic dish, an Italian dish that is tortellini, that is a pasta, and that is a stuffed pasta paired with a sauce, creme de zafferano parmigiano.
So the people who love Italian, this episode is for you. So what are the ingredients that we are using for today?
So starting from here, we have wine that we will be using later for the sauce. This is refined oil and this is the olive oil. This is chili oil actually for the garnishing.
Okay.
And then this
One of the favorite spices of Lady England.
this is thyme.
Okay.
And so for now, this is saffron that we'll be using in the base, that is cream.
Okay.
And these are the eggs which we are going to use for the dough.
Okay.
These are the shiitake mushrooms that we are going to use for the stuffing.
Okay. So we are using these shiitake mushroom as the soaked wine. Most important ingredient, I would like to say it to that.
So this is basil that we are going to use as a puree as well as for the dough. So then this is Parmesan cheese that we are going to use even in the stuffing and even on the after the for the garnishing.
Okay.
This is ricotta cheese
Okay.
that we are going to use in the stuffing.
Okay.
So these are the microgreens that we will be using later for the garnishing. And yeah,
Then the chili flakes are there, and
the
the onion is for the
stuffing.
sauce. Okay.
No, stuffing as well as the sauce.
Sauce. Okay.
So this is fresh cream that we have mixed it, and we will be using this for the sauce. So this is ricotta cheese. This is a soft cheese that we are going to use for the stuffing.
Okay.
And this is from Italy as well.
So what we are starting with, chef?
So we are starting with the puree.
Okay.
So for that we need washed basil,
Okay.
and then we need some water for the blanching.
Let's start. We are already waiting for it. So we have the boiling water here with us. So the temperature should be normal.
The temperature should be 100 degree for the boiling. Once water is boiled, then we can add a basil for blanching.
Okay.
Basil, when we are blanching it, it will keep the color and the texture of that, and won't fade. So here we have the washed basil. As we are making dough as well as the puree, so we need like 50 grams for that dough.
Okay.
And then rest of that for the 60 to 70 grams for the puree.
Puree. Okay.
Because the puree we are using, it's for basil oil.
Okay.
Yes. That is also for the garnishing.
A lot to note because I think so the viewers would be having their pen and copies to note the dish that we are making today. We are blanching and we have the time. I would like to dive into your personal life. So, how it came to your mind that you are okay, I am done with my schooling and I want to pursue cooking and culinary. So, did it came from home or it just came into your mind? Okay.
It started in the lockdown. It was like we were all free, and my mother was like, "You should do something. No, you're sitting free. You should start something."
It is every Indian parents thing that they would say, "अरे भाई कुछ तो कर लो, 12वीं हो गई है. You have 3 months with you that the admissions are starting." So like that, your mother was the same thing, same dialogue for every Indian kid.
So at that time, I was in my, I was going to start my 11th standard. So my mother was like, "Do something, no." So I was like, "Okay, fine, just let me be." Then I started doing something, like started with the cooking only, and okay, so it's almost done.
Okay.
So started with the cooking. I used to make dinners at that time at home, and again, daily I was making different dishes, and everyone was like praising it. I was like, okay, I can do something. So it is done.
It would be taking only 10 to 20
50 seconds.
Oh, yeah. 15 seconds.
So it is
you
done
have to
already.
blend it. Yeah.
It's ice cold water so that the color won't fade it.
Okay. So it all started from the home kitchen only.
Exactly.
And then how Chitkara University?
Actually, I was looking for the university at that time, and I was very confused that should I go to Gurgaon or maybe New Delhi. And then my father was like, "I wouldn't be sending you far away from home." And I was like, okay, then I need to search something around near me.
Okay.
So then I found this university.
A thing that attracted you towards Chitkara University.
So when I was visiting here, I looked out all the kitchens. It was like so good and well maintained. The machines over here, every equipment we are using here was
Professionally maintained, yeah.
So we'll squeeze out something, some water from the half of it.
Okay.
Because for the dough, we need 0 water in that.
Okay.
And for the puree, we can use some water.
So then you finally came to Chitkara University, and how was the very first day like?
The first day, I was very much nervous and panicked that how I'm going to do that because I've never done this professionally. And coming here, it was like dealing with the equipment and it was way too professional. So I was way too nervous. And then I was, the classes starting. We started with the bakery actually. And it was a lot
That's
of
a
fun.
very unique thing to start with. Bakery, the very basic thing is.
So we started with the breads. We made a lot of breads actually. And
So which bread is your favorite one, by the way?
I love baguette. Now we need to blend this.
Okay.
So for the puree that we are going to put in the dough, that we are going to use with a little bit of water. Okay. And for the oil, we are going to use the olive oil.
Olive oil. Okay.
So this is basically a basil oil that we have blended with the oil, and then with the filter paper, we need to extract it so that the lumps won't be there, and we need the color of the basil and the oil.
And then
For the dough,
this is for the dough.
for the dough, yes. So this is the basil blended with the water, and it's just a paste. So that we need a good color in the pasta. This is the flour that is 100% durum wheat.
Okay.
So this is a different flour, So basically, this is a hard wheat
Okay.
that we are going to use,
Okay.
and this is high in gluten.
Okay.
And this we are using for the pastas with the following recipe. For the dough, we need the flours as well as the eggs. And we don't need egg white for this because this will give the hydration to the flour, which we don't require that much.
Okay.
So we will be using egg yolks only. Why egg yolks? Because it will cover all the hydration that the flour need, and it will give a silky smooth texture to the dough.
Okay.
And also binds the dough. So here we are going to make some gap.
Okay.
So that we can break the egg yolks in this.
Mm-hmm.
And let's start with this.
We were having the conversation about your very first day. When you went home,
Yes.
did you tell your mom, okay, you told me do something.
Yeah.
I am doing something and I did this thing today.
My mom's reaction was, very basic and subtle, like all Indian mothers, like, okay, yeah, okay, yeah.
Okay.
Like that only.
Okay. And what was your dad's reaction?
Okay, it was way too opposite for him. Because he was like, we are from a business family, so my father was like very against to this, but he also supported me now after seeing my work, and now he's happy actually. So, first time I was cooking like chili paneer actually,
Okay.
and that's my
So
father's
it starts
favorite.
with only the Indian dish.
Indian dishes only.
Okay.
So, my father's favorite it is, and my father loves cooking.
Oh.
Yeah.
So it is somewhere into your genes?
Jeans, yeah. My father is like, when I was, very small, my father used to cook Hakka noodles at home.
Oh.
And, with the chili paneer, and I was like, I want to make this dish only.
Okay.
Then we'll do something. Then on that day, I made this chili paneer. And they loved it. And they were like, wow. This is so
Okay, we have invested in a good very place. And any comparison that you would have heard from your mom's friend doing it to their kids. Okay, unki ladki de Sharma ji ki beti ko dekho, she is doing this, she is doing that. It happens with everyone. So does it happen in front of you?
This never happened to me actually. Everyone has different perspective, what they have to do, what they don't have to do. So my parents at first time they were chill, and when it started, and at some point we used to stress that yes, we won't be able to do this, and the like we used to stress as a student.
As a student, okay, you are somewhere at the back of your mind, it is thinking into you like that. Okay, if I have my parents have invested into this into me,
Yes.
I have to make them proud.
Yes.
Are they proud of you?
Yes, they are very actually.
Very much.
Actually.
Okay. Any moment that you still remember and you were like, where can I hide?
Okay. So yeah, there's a moment actually. Every one of us, like from the batch,
Okay.
once it was like we didn't come prepared, like we need to learn for the theory. And then Kavish, one of our professors, he was like, everyone should go right now out of the class. If I, shout on you, then you will cry. And
That much serious he was. So he made a blunder of something or like
no, actually we didn't study for the theory.
oh,
We, so
it is not all about practicals or the experiences that you are getting in the kitchen. It is all about theory as well. That's amazing. That in my mind, in many of the people's mind, it was like, okay, kitchen mein hi kaam karna, we have to work in the kitchens only.
Okay, so the
it
dough
took
is
about
ready.
theory.
So the dough is ready.
Okay.
I talk. So yeah.
We'll continue. She is most focused on her
Need to wrap it so that the moisture won't come into it.
Okay.
Yes. So that it won't be get more hydration with the
So we
moisture.
would be keeping it in the freezer.
Freezer.
For how long?
For 1 to 2 hours.
Okay.
Yes.
We are making another dough.
Yeah.
This dough is for the stripes because our dish is quite colorful.
We were talking about the balancing.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it was Kavesh sir who kicked you out of the kitchen so that you don't see his anger
And
because you were not prepared with the
theory part.
Okay. And then
So here, what is the thing is that we need to be prepared for the theory as well as for the practical. The theory is that we have been taught before in the classes, and the practical, which on the day of the practical, we need to first give the viva, so that we know what we are going to cook and what the methods we are going to do in the kitchen. So for that we need the basic theory, and on that day some of us wasn't prepared for that, and
so you were one of them.
yeah, for sure. Actually, not only me, full class was out of the door.
Okay.
on the first day when this happened, then we were like shocked. Ki, what has happened? Like what
Is this supposed to happen or
happened or not?
Okay.
Okay. And then from the next day, we were like scared. Okay, now we have to learn because the first day we were thrown out of the class, and now we have to be
The very
prepared.
next day.
Yeah, with the very next day.
Okay.
And then, okay, on that day, it was like going very smooth, chef didn't ask because they know. So he was like already prepared that these kids won't be doing anything again like this. Again, this happened. Again, everyone was thrown out of the class. And that was the me. Ab to padna hi pada hai.
You have to be equally balanced with theory.
Areas by last year, everyone else from the batch went on the internship for like 1 year, and I get the exposure to do 2 internships.
Okay.
Even my friends as well, not me only. And yes, it was a great experience working in the Novotel Convention Center, Jaipur.
Oh,
And yeah,
That's
I worked in Jaipur as well as New Delhi.
okay.
I worked in New Delhi. I worked in the Leela Palaces. That is the Chanakyapuri one. And working in Novotel, it was a great experience, learning everything. And you know what? Like I told you that I started with the bakery, and there also I started with the bakery.
So the experts here, your mentors know it, what industry needs.
Yeah.
As what are the requirements that they would be looking into you guys. So that's why their curriculum is built like that. So how was your experience? Have you witnessed any of the angers of your chefs
Yeah.
there?
Yes.
Okay. So what is the incident that you still remember till date?
So actually, it was my first day in Leela Palace, and the executive chef was walking by, and there was a actually the audit was going to happen, and it was my first day, and you know the audit is very big thing for the hotels, and the audit started, and I was so lost that I've never seen audit in my life before. Even in the Novotel, I've never experienced audit. So one of the chef, he was master chef.
Oh.
So he guided me that took this basket away from here because the audit is going to happen, and you need to be, you know, very clean with your areas, always
Your station.
with your stations and with with all the walk-ins we have, and you need to tag it properly with the date, and there should be no expiring thing. So the basket he hand over me. In that basket there was yellow chili powder. Okay, you know, left before scattered, and that basket was having holes. And I was so lost at that time because he handed over me like he must be thinking that I know I'm here since, you know, I don't know forever because what he's thinking. Yeah.
Because at the moment, what is going in your mind, especially such kind of people who are
So this is
highest
also
level.
done.
Okay, we are done with the dough.
Yes.
Along with a very wonderful story, colorful story that you are
Colorful
sharing of the industry.
So yeah.
So it was having a hole, and I could imagine it.
Yes.
What does the next thing happen?
So I was taking away, and I don't know where to keep the baskets because I was totally new to that, and there was a different place for storing the basket. That is the receiving area.
Okay.
So the receiving area was in the basement one, and the place I was working, it was on the ground floor. So I was not aware that where should the basket to be kept. So I was so lost. So then, the next thing, all the red yellow chili powder fell on the floor,
Oh.
and there's a KST team. KST in every hotel there's a KST team for the cleanliness, for the proper hygiene. So yeah, he was cleaning, and I was totally lost, as I already told you. And that thing fell on the floor, and the executive chef was passing by, and then he started shouting at me that do you have any knowledge about this? And I was like, I was totally ziplocked, and I was like, क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ? Blank, totally blank. Okay, so this is done.
Okay.
Now we'll give it a rest. Yes.
Again, we will wrap it and keep it for 1 to 2 hours. 2 hours.
So, yeah, that was the tragic happen. And I was like so scared. And you know what? The mindset with me on the very first day, that executive chef is very nice to the people. And he's, you know, never going to be like that person that that I experienced in the Novotel. The doughs are ready actually,
Okay.
and these are hard touched.
No, yeah. It's like a stone. So the only way to test it, they will become
Stone.
like, and you have to keep it for 2 hours. So we need at least 2 to 1 of
Actually,
the
for
onion.
the stuffing
Cutting skills.
on top.
Does it feel like, okay, I was here and someday I was here, I was better than this?
Actually,
Have you felt like that?
didn't get chance to meet our juniors because we were on the internship.
Okay.
And when we get back, they are now on the internships now.
But no, it's okay. You haven't met your.
We have seen their videos actually.
Oh.
Yeah, we do have a lot of videos of them as well on the culinary page of Chitkara.
So we have onions all chopped
And
and
garlic.
then the garlic
Yes.
for the sauce.
For the sauce.
Okay, and the filling as well.
Yes.
So these are shiitake mushroom.
These are shiitake.
Many of the people are vegetarian.
Yes.
We have used
Eggs in that.
in that. So what is the alternative for the eggs?
So as we have used eggs in that, the alternative would be water actually.
So one of the memories that you would like to share with all the people who are looking forward to pursue their careers in culinary and hospitality. A good one and the bad one.
Actually, while I was on the internship, I had a great exposure with the guest interaction,
Oh.
and while I was in Leela, it was like, all the celebrities.
Coming.
Yeah, I get a chance to meet to the celebs.
So
And
you
that was
would
the
be
best
bragging
part.
about it to your friends?
Yeah. Yeah, all the time. Like,
All the time you would be secretly taking the selfies with the guests.
no, we were not allowed.
You are not allowed.
Yes.
But still you would have gotten the chance to do it.
I did with one of the celebs.
Okay. So now we are going to saute all our the onions,
Garlic
and the garlic.
So, yeah.
So we have used what oil? It's so normal oil, also
we have heated the pan and then we have added olive oil to it.
Okay.
And then we are going to add garlic, half of it.
Okay. Making the stuffing,
And then we are sauteing it.
sorting it,
And then we'll blend it.
blend it. Okay.
Yes, for the stuffing.
Stuffing of it. So coming back to your experience of being in the industry, so one of the biggest compliment that you have got so far.
In the kitchen, actually, in the last few days, when my internship was getting over at the Leela, I got a compliment that you kept on focusing that what you have to do, and you are never denying us that I won't do it.
Okay.
And I was like, wow, that's something new I've heard. And, hearing that from the chef, it was great.
Is like it is a thing with the people that you should say no sometime. But you kept it like
Not that thing. It's actually very difficult for me that I've never said no, and that's actually at the end of the days, it was so hectic for me. I was so much like that I'm not able to say no to people.
so we have started our
Yes, onions and garlic. Now we are adding mushrooms.
Okay. So it is okay to have the backup for the pashki. Yes. If it to have it in fatty.
This is a white wine for the deglazing.
Okay.
I think it is done, and we should give it a rest.
Okay.
This is also done. This is for the creme, the base.
And the saffron, you want me to? This is the saffron.
Yes.
So if we can see it,
Yeah, this much is
I think so. This much would be fine.
or maybe a little more.
So now we are making the sheets.
Yes.
The doughs are ready.
Just dust it,
Okay.
Anna. Then we'll start rolling it
Okay.
because we don't want this to stick around. And while you're sheeting, it should be proper, the thin sheet. So we'll start with the sheeting.
Okay. So I think so. This is the last sheet that we are rolling in.
Yes. Also, I have kept this into the damp cloth or maybe a tissue because it won't lose the moisture in it.
Okay.
And it won't dry, and we won't be using that much flour because the more flour you use it will lose the
Moisture and
it will get dry, and will keep the same thickness with the same.
So if you are stranded onto an island, one of the dishes that you would like to cook for yourself for the rest of your life?
So I'll say dal chawal because that is way to comfort food for me.
Okay.
As we are from Indian background.
Yeah.
So yeah,
So these are the strips that we are going to use for the pasta.
we have to do this. We have to place it.
So it's like taking your turns. How this like culinary or the cooking has shaped you as a person or as a student?
Actually, it's very important to be in an industry. You need discipline and
Confidence,
yes,
discipline.
discipline,
Confidence, discipline.
and a lot of hard work because it's way too new for us. In this industry, we need a lot of connections. Actually, we are cutting this into the squares,
Okay.
to get the shape.
Okay.
Yes,
So you have to firstly cut in squares
squares.
so that you could fill all the fillings that we have here.
We have done the sheet, right?
So these are the sheets that we have here. If we can have the close up, so it as we pictured it out. Okay, so we have this mixture of onion and shiitake mushrooms. So we have to grind it.
Yes, blend
Okay,
it.
and you have to blend it
Yes.
with what we are
use
putting into it.
We'll use ricotta cheese.
Okay,
We'll put around 2 spoons of it.
okay,
And now we are using the goat cheese.
okay.
2 tablespoons each.
2 tablespoons of each.
Yes.
So now we are adding on
Salt and pepper.
salt and pepper. So as we are talking about salt and pepper, which dish is your favorite? Salty one or the sweet one?
I would say I love sweet.
Okay. And in sweet, what desserts do you like?
I love truffle pastry.
Okay.
We have given the square shape and we'll stuff it with the filling that we already have made. And ma'am, do the honors.
Yes, okay, of course. After you. So we are taking a spoon.
Yes, and
we need the water.
So first you have to place it like this,
Okay.
and then take a little bit of this
Mm-hmm.
and place it in the center,
Okay.
like this much, because it is a small square.
Mm-hmm.
So now you do the same.
This much?
Yeah.
Then?
We'll take a dip into water,
Hmm.
then apply like this.
All the side? All the
No.
4 corners?
No, only 2 corners,
Only 2 corners. As you wish.
like this. And now we will fold it like this. Yes,
Sweet
perfect.
to
And now,
corners. And then?
doing the corners, you have to start from the one side so that the air is
Not there. So you have to press it.
yes,
Mine is
like
from the-
properly. It's okay. You just scrape it over like on the
All over? Or only
On
in
the
the
sides.
sides?
even
Okay.
the sides,
Okay.
because we have to join it, no?
Mm-hmm.
Then do it like this. Press
I have to press it to close it.
Yes. And now the tortellini is ready.
Ready. So in the coming future, like if we talk about when you pass out from the university,
Yeah.
or in the coming 5 years, where do you see yourself?
So my plans for future, I see like opening my own restaurant.
Oh, so this is the why
Yeah.
that we have put in.
Put in.
So it smells very
Yes,
good
very good.
and it gives you that aroma
Now we are adding the milk.
that we soaked in the very beginning with saffron in it.
Like when we will be adding cream to it, then we'll grate some parmesan on the top, and then we will season it. Because if we do it before, then we won't be able to decrease it because parmesan is already salty.
Okay.
Contains salt.
Salt. Okay. So, chef, if you have been given a chance to cook for someone very special, who would it be?
I would say my parents.
Okay. Your parents would be the number one priority, and it should be.
It feels, very grateful, I say, that learning all these things which we are not able to learn in the at our home or maybe locally. We say, can you pass me the cream, please?
Yeah, of course.
So yeah, I say I would be very grateful for learning these all things
So it is making you industry ready and future ready.
Yes.
At the same time, we are adding the cream.
Cream. We'll add half of it, like 150 ml.
Okay.
So meanwhile, the cream is getting thickened.
Okay.
We'll start blanching our pastas.
Okay.
Now this water is perfectly red.
So we would be adding something to the water like salt.
We have added salt.
Okay.
The water should be salty. So we will blanch till these pastas float over.
Okay.
Yes. I've put some in this because we won't be able to put a lot of in this.
Okay. So we have to look into that the pasta should be floating, and only then you will be getting to know that okay, it is done.
Yes. So it has started getting thickened.
Yeah.
Then we'll add parmesan and then we'll add the seasoning.
Okay. So far, like baking is hard for you, or like cooking style?
Actually, I'll say both are at their place. Both are same while working with them, but both required hard work, and these are done here.
Okay. These are done. The sauce is ready.
Ready. Yes.
We would be adding now what? Salt and
pepper and a little bit of parmesan.
Okay.
Just a little bit.
Okay.
Because it will get too salty if we add more.
Okay.
That's it.
That's it.
Okay, the sauce is ready. Now we will leave this aside.
So we are tossing the mushrooms and onions again.
And yes, with the pasta.
With the pasta. So we are adding garlic again.
Yes. With onions.
Okay. So now
we add some onion. Diced.
Yeah.
So we are adding
again
white
wine.
Now we will be adding
the mushroom thing is mushrooms, pasta, white wine, and garlic gives you very good
aroma.
Yeah. So now we are plating with the sauce.
Yes.
Yes. And then
we'll place these. Do this whole. So yeah.
So with all the delicacy that you have learned, that's done. And now the last thing is
some parmesan on the top, and then we'll add that.
Some greens, and so this is what we are adding. Parmesan. Many people's favorite. Is it your favorite too?
Yeah. So now we
have some greens.
Microgreens. Yeah. That's it.
Last.
Chili oil.
So still have that color.
Yes.
Last but not least, the cherry tomatoes as well, if you like it. And I don't think so there would be anyone who doesn't like it.
So started there.
So our plating has been done, and I am sure Chef Dhanvi has worked so hard and has shown all her talent into this particular dish for the very first episode. And Dhanvi, I think so it is going to be a shocker for you. We have very special guest with us, and he is your mentor, and we hope so he likes the dish and make a good judgment out of it. We have Mr. Amit Vora, Professor and Dean of Culinary Arts. So please welcome sir. A big round of applause for sir from everybody. So how are you, sir?
I am very well, and I'm very impressed to look at this dish. Who
Already. Your own.
It seems to be a team effort. I have to tell you that the look
Very hard.
I can make out.
You can't give all the credits to Chef Dhanvi all at once. So what do you expect?
If you look at the entire plate, there is a beautiful balance of color, textures. The tortellini itself is textured with two colors. Now, I think they say that the food is not complete unless it is tasted.
Tasted, yes.
So I think we should go with the
Yes, of course.
with the taste test. There are three. There are 3 spoons, and perhaps all 3 of us should taste it at once. And let's find out how it is. Okay.
So,
Dhanvi, What do you feel? How is it going to be? Should be good. You don't seem to be confident enough. No, I'll take some sauce. Yeah.
You can have all of it, sir.
Yeah. Looks like it is too small.
Yeah.
So maybe.
How is it?
Wow.
Is it a complete balance of everything?
It is as good as it looks.
The Hanvi would have been very nervous. My turn. I'll go. So, what I should expect? What do you think, Hanvi?
I think you should mix everything. You should take some sauce on top of the tortellini.
Okay.
We'll put some chewy mushrooms on it.
Okay.
Okay. A few mushrooms. And then have it.
I think so. It is
Together.
going to be the very biggest bite for me.
You can take your time.
It is very big bite for me. Okay.
I think you should try. India is famous for golgappas, and people can have golgappas. Tortellini is nothing in front of it.
Very nice.
How is it?
So, how would you rate it? How many stars you would
Out
like to
of
give?
10?
Yeah.
Easily 6.5, 7.
6.5. Still a long way to go.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Long.
I am a little old school, so perfection is something which I don't look at all the time. I always look for improvement. So then,
No worries, sir. We are your students. Dhanvi, you would like to taste your dish as well? Please go ahead. Meanwhile, we'll have a message from sir. So, what message you would like to give to the people?
I'll tell Dhanvi, taste at every stage. Practice. The more you practice, the better you will get at this.
Yes, that's the secret to life. That's the secret to success.
How is it, Dhanvi?
It is nice.
Good. If you were to rate your own dish, how much will you rate this?
10.
Maybe 8.5 or maybe 7.
Low.
Because
I'm feeling very proud of her. I wasn't expecting this, but now I think I can take credit for all this. No, very good job.
Yeah.
Very, very, very good job. Thank you
I
so
am
much.
also very impressed, by the way. So, being a first timer to taste all this cheese at one place, having all the greens, and starting it from the start was the very important thing for all of us. To all the people who watched this very first episode, thank you so much for watching. And we hope so you will try this dish at your home. But most of all, the people who are looking forward to start there and commence their career with the culinary and hospitality department, I can make sure it for all of you that Chitkara University is the best destination for all of you. So thank you, Chef.
Most welcome.
To both of you for being here, for being the very first guest of the very first episode. Looking forward to your reviews. I hope so you will like, share and comment to this video. And we are coming up with the next second episode very soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.